This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Charming 3-bed, 2.5-bath transitional home in Springhill. Well maintained with a fantastic open floor plan and lovely natural light. Entryway leads to formal dining on the left and an office/flex space on the right with a sizable family room behind, featuring a stone gas fireplace. The living room is open to the eat-in kitchen with both a bar seating area and breakfast nook overlooking the backyard. The kitchen features granite countertops and stainless steel appliances with a pantry and additional cased opening leading back to the formal dining. The first level is complete with a powder room and laundry off the 2-car garage. Upstairs, the sizable primary suite features vaulted ceilings and a massive closet and an ensuite bath. 2 additional well-sized bedrooms and another full bath complete the upstairs. Outside, the large fenced-in yard features a lovely patio, raised garden beds, a screened-in porch and matching shed. Amazing location. For more information, review the details below.